Imagine a world where you can send money, store records, and even own assets, all without needing a bank or a middleman. Sounds futuristic, right? That's the power of blockchain technology, and today I'll break it down for you in a few minutes. No tech jargon required. Let's dive in and see what makes blockchain so revolutionary. Welcome back to my channel. If you've heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or NFTs, then you've already heard of blockchain. But what is it exactly and why does it matter? Today we're going to demystify blockchain technology, explaining how it works, why it's secure, and how it's changing the way we interact online. So get comfortable, because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of blockchain. At its core, a blockchain is a type of digital ledger, just like a digital notebook that records information. But instead of being stored on one computer, blockchain data is spread across many computers called nodes around the world. Each time new information is added, like a transaction, it goes onto a block. Once that block is full, it links to the previous one, creating a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Think of it like a chain of digital receipts or a series of pages in a diary where each page is connected to the next. And because it's decentralized, no single person or company controls it. It's spread out across multiple computers, making it transparent and secure. A big part of what makes blockchain unique is decentralization. Instead of having one central authority like a bank to verify transactions, a network of computers or nodes works together to confirm each transaction. This process is known as consensus. So even if one computer fails, the data is safe because it's stored on many others. Blockchain is also highly secure, thanks to something called cryptography. When a transaction is added to the blockchain, it's encrypted, which means only people with the correct key can access the information. This encryption makes blockchain highly resistant to hacking. There are two main types of blockchains, public and private. Public blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum are open to everyone. Anyone can join the network, view transactions, and help secure the blockchain. This is why people say public blockchains are transparent. On the other hand, private blockchains are restricted to specific users, usually within companies. Private blockchains are faster and more efficient, but they're not as decentralized. For example, some companies use private blockchains to track their supply chains or manage internal records. So why is everyone talking about blockchain? Beyond cryptocurrency, blockchain is being used in several real-world applications. Cryptocurrency. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies use blockchain to enable secure, peer-to-peer transactions without a bank. Supply chains. Big companies like Walmart are using blockchain to track products from the manufacturer to the store shelf. This improves transparency and ensures quality control. Voting systems. Blockchain could make elections more secure by providing a transparent, tamper-proof system for counting votes. Healthcare hospitals are exploring blockchain to securely store patient records, giving patients control over their data while keeping it secure. Blockchain's transparency and security are what make it so versatile, and many industries are seeing its potential beyond just finance. Alright, let's see how much you've learned. Here's a quick quiz question. Blockchain is a type of A. Centralized database, B. Decentralized ledger, or C. Encryption software? Comment your answer below. One of the reasons blockchain is so secure is because each block is linked to the previous one. If someone wanted to change a transaction in an earlier block, they'd have to alter all subsequent blocks, which requires control over most of the network's computers, an almost impossible task, especially with public blockchains like Bitcoin. Blockchain is getting more attention as big names and institutions are investing in it. For instance, the global payments giant Visa is exploring blockchain for fast cross-border payments. And just recently, some governments started experimenting with blockchain for land registries, showing how this technology is gaining acceptance across many fields. To recap, blockchain is a powerful digital ledger that's decentralized, secure, and transparent. It's not just about cryptocurrency, it has the potential to impact industries from finance and healthcare to voting and supply chains. Understanding blockchain can give us a glimpse into the future of secure digital transactions. It's more than just a technology, it's a new way of managing information and building trust. Here's a quick riddle for you. I'm a chain, but I'm not made of metal. I store data, but am not a hard drive. What am I? Think you know the answer? Drop it in the comments. Now that you know the basics of blockchain, what do you think? Is blockchain the future of secure transactions? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our future videos on blockchain, crypto, and more.